Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add YouTube link on bio. To get started, let's open web browser and log in your Instagram account. I have already logged in my Instagram account. Now click on your profile image or your username. It will navigate you to the profile page. So here tap on edit profile as shown here. When you tap on it, it will navigate you to this interface where you can paste your YouTube link. You can go to the bio and paste there. We have another option, website, where you can paste your website link or your YouTube link. It doesn't give us access, so let's paste our YouTube link on bio section. And then tap on save button. So in this way you can add your YouTube link on Instagram from PC. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.